NDR Group, pioneers in logistics, renowned for their hallmarks of trust, experience, pan-Indian presence. Founded in 1954 by the late Sri Dasaratha Rama Reddy of Nellore, NDR Group is synonymous with logistics services for more than 50 years and has emerged today as an expert provider of high-technology logistics operations and supply chain management in India. NDR Group profile. With more than 6.5 million square feet of warehousing space spread across 64 locations in India and an additional 4.5 million square feet coming up within the next 1 year, the NDR Group takes care of every aspect of logistics, from inbound sourcing and delivery to outbound shipment and handling and distribution for some of the best-known corporate entities and MNCs in the country. NDR Group profile. Supply chain and logistics solutions. General warehousing, long and short term. Warehouse and inventory management services. CFS ICD. Customs bonded warehousing facilities. Customized mechanized warehousing facilities. Open storage facilities. Customs clearing and forwarding services. Transportation, primary and secondary. Railhead clearing and handling. Cold and air-conditioned storage facilities. NDR Group future plans. NDR Group has ambitious and highly proactive plans on the anvil to develop container rail sidings, CFS, wholesale market yards, WMY, consisting of cold storage, controlled atmosphere storage, auction halls and air-conditioned shops with links to reefer vans and containers and jetties across the length and breadth of the country. These facilities will offer world-class, one-stop shop multimodal logistics services designed to provide customized solutions to its customers' specific needs on time, every time. Panvel. NDR Group seeks to consolidate its presence in the JNPT Port of Mumbai commercial hub, which handles 70% of all sea freight in India. It has invested 150 crore rupees in developing a 25-acre multimodal, multi-commodity hub at Panvel, while 49 crore rupees has already been invested in prime land acquisition and railway siding development. Construction of 60,000 square feet of covered storage space has been completed by Cwcl Warehousing Limited, an NDR Group company. The project is currently being appraised by IL&FS. Cwcl Warehousing Limited also has warehousing facilities at Bangalore that services reputed clients such as Arvind Mills, Pantaloon and Reliance Infocom. Continental Warehousing Corporation Navasheva Limited, another NDR Group company, is already in possession of 33 acres of land for a CFS near JNPT with a covered storage area of 2.5 lakh square feet. This facility has a jetty in the Kopta Creek and is in the process of development. NDR Warehousing Corporation Private Limited, another group company, has 5 lakh square feet of modern warehousing at Panvel and Bhiwandi, catering to blue-chip companies like Philips and Reliance Communications. Financial highlights. Overall project cost 153.29 crore rupees. Investment subsidy 25 crore rupees. Break-even point 22.89%. IRR 45.02%. Jamnagar. Jamnagar represents the core of the SEZ that declares Gujarat's industrial might. NDR Group has plans for establishing a rail siding, container terminal, CFS, wholesale market yard and a jetty here. Investments have already been made to the tune of 46 crore rupees towards land acquisition and development of the wholesale market yard WMY, including 2.5 lakh square feet of covered storage space and 60 crore rupees for developing the Rosie Pier jetty. This multimodal, strategically located facility not only connects northern India with the rest of the country, but also connects India with the Gulf of Oman and other Middle Eastern ports. Financial appraisal and tie-ups for the container terminal, CFS and wholesale market yard is handled by IL&FS, and the Rosy Pier Jetty and Coastal Movement project by IDFC respectively. RFQs, which have already been filed for railway sidings in Jamnagar, are in active consideration by the Indian Railways. RV Engineers Private Limited, an Indian Railways approved company, are the group's consultants not only for this project but Panvel and Tuticorin as well. Continental Warehousing Corporation Limited, the flagship of the NDR Group, is the holding company for the Rosy Pier Jetty, and those at Kopta and Haldia also, apart from the wholesale market yard at Jamnagar. Financial highlights: overall project cost 100.70 crore rupees, investment subsidy 25 crore rupees, break-even point 32.34%, IRR 38.44%. Tuticorin. NDR Group's Tuticorin facility covers all of 220,000 square feet amidst a sprawling area of 68.5 acres, valued at 30 crore rupees. Approvals for a CFS from the Ministry of Commerce and railway siding from Southern Railways are already obtained for this multimodal facility that will also have a container terminal. The port's potential after the completion of the Setu Samudram project will be exponential, opening up of shorter sea routes to Sri Lanka, Singapore, Malaysia and the Maldives, apart from promoting inland connectivity. Financial highlights: overall project cost 142.55 crore rupees, investment subsidy 23.08 crore rupees, break-even point 22.09%, IRR 33.41%. Bangalore. NDR Group has identified and acquired 40 acres of prime location near Whitefield, Bangalore. Applications for a railway siding and wholesale market yard have already been made with the railways and other government agencies. Visakhapatnam. The NDR Group has already built up 70,000 square feet of covered area at Visakhapatnam within the Port Trust area. This facility was recently inaugurated by Dr. Chandrapal Singh, Chairman Cwcl, on 24th October 2007. The facility also has scope for another 60,000 square feet. Further, it has more than 250,000 square feet of open-to-the-sky storage area. At this site, 50 acres have been purchased at a cost of 20 crore rupees with facilities for a railway siding. Also, plans are afoot to set up a container freight station CFS here. The group currently has on its drawing boards a bulk terminal bagging plant and an operational terminal capable of handling import logistics of more than 8.5 lakh tons of fertilizers from abroad that's destined for up-country destinations. Chennai. NDR Group has a fully operational CFS facility, a general warehouse and a logistic hub of 7 lakh square feet. The company handles 1 lakh tons of cement per month for India Cements for door-to-door delivery in Chennai. The group also has identified 30 acres of land near Napalayam for developing it into a strategically located rail and sea terminal. Continental Warehousing Corporation Limited, which owns the CFS facilities at Chennai and the Rosy Pier Jetty at Jamnagar, also owns a port-based transit terminal at Visakhapatnam and an upcoming wholesale market yard with its own rail siding and a CFS at Tuticorin. It is also in the process of setting up a green energy backup power project at Tuticorin soon, what with the energy purchase approval for 10 megawatts already having been obtained from Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Haldia. Continental Warehousing Corporation Limited has been permitted by the Haldia Municipal Corporation for the repair and operations of their jetty, located on the Haldia River. Today, NDR Group has consolidated its hard-earned leadership position as a logistics service provider of global standards through its 64 strategic locations spread all over India. Indeed, the dynamic leadership of Cwcl has brought about many a sea change in the way markets are capitalized in India today. Sensing a tremendous opportunity in the exploitation of India's railway network, which is the largest in the world, Cwcl has invested 50 crore rupees for the right to use the nation's rail corridors. As a step towards total integration, Cwcl is also investing in the outright purchase of flatbed railway rolling stock. Now, in the backdrop of India's booming economy that is likely to enter the double digits soon, the scenario is perfect for Cwcl's dynamic leadership to invest in NDR's nationwide logistic hubs, leveraging the synergies and generate a revenue model that delivers an astounding 45% return on investment.